Welcome back to DK Auto Hub, where we bring you the future of driving. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that redefines the modern SUV, the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer. This isn't just a redesign, it's a revolution in bold design, confident performance, and intelligent technology. Just look at this exterior. The 2026 Blazer commands attention with its aggressive front fascia. Those sharp sweeping LED headlights and the sculpted hood flow seamlessly into a grille that means business. This is more than just an SUV, it's an athletic statement on wheels. From its muscular stance and sleek side profile to the intricately designed alloy wheels, every detail has been crafted to perfection. As dusk settles, the signature rear LED taillights create an unmistakable presence, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. But the Blazer is more than just stunning looks. It delivers a driving experience to match. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the open highway, the handling is incredibly responsive and the ride is exceptionally smooth. Chevrolet has engineered this SUV to feel both powerful and poised, and for those weekend getaways, its capability on gravel roads and light trails means your adventures don't have to stop where the pavement ends. This is confident handling you can feel in every turn. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of space, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is centered around a massive, user-friendly infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with a crisp digital driver display. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The premium seating with its elegant contrast stitching invites you to settle in for the ride, while the customizable ambient lighting sets the perfect mood. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you're always connected, entertained, and in control. Of course, your peace of mind is paramount. The 2026 Blazer is equipped with Chevrolet's most advanced safety technology. Features like forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring act as your vigilant co-pilot, helping you navigate the unpredictable. Adaptive cruise control makes long journeys more relaxing, automatically adjusting your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. This is a vehicle built for your life. It's spacious enough for family road trips, with ample cargo space and rear seat comfort that ensures everyone enjoys the journey. From daily commutes to epic adventures, the Blazer is designed to be the perfect partner. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer, a masterful blend of bold design and confident performance. It's more than just a way to get from A to B, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. If you loved what you saw, make sure to subscribe to DK Auto Hub for more exclusive looks at the world's most exciting vehicles.